Hello, hello, namaste, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, whichever part of the world you are watching from. This is Anjana Panchakoti, all the way from uh, Kathmandu, Nepal, originally, and currently resides in Alberta, Canada, with my beautiful family. Today I'm live, and I'm live with digital talk show with Anjana, episode 8. Yeah, it's like 9 a.m. in Calgary, Alberta, and today my timing has changed a little bit. I used to come every week Monday at evening, but because of my schedule, work schedule, so I am coming live today at morning, like 9 a.m. here. Yes, this business, right? This business has got a beneficial, like benefits, we can do from our comfort zone. Today, I'm here in my live talk to talk about my business, to share my business strategy, like information, whoever is interested, to come in this business, and for their time and financial freedom. Yes, every week I'm bringing different my business partner to share their experience, expertise, as we are a global community, so we have a youth community from all over the world. That's why, like, that's why I'm bringing my guest. So today's special guest is none other than um my business partner. She is Sheetal Lobo, all the way from Abu Dhabi, and she is originally from Mumbai. Let her, without further delay, let her invite her in my business space. But before that, I just want to give her a brief introduction. She is a mom of three boys, and by profession, she is early educator. The teaching sector. So yes, without further delay, I want to invite her, and let's hear from her. Yeah. Hi, Sheeta.
Hello, hi Anjana. How are you?
I'm good, and thank you for accepting my invitation in a short period of time, though you are too busy and busy mom, and then our timing, because of your time and my timing is every week it's changing, that's
Oh, okay.
how we run this business. That's how we give information, educate it for our viewers, right? So
Yes.
yes, thank you for
Uh,
coming in my live show. Thank you so much. And yeah, could you let's go to my question. It's let's say it's a questions, or could you please introduce yourself and explain about this business for my viewers? It just give your short introduction. They
yeah.
want to hear from you.
First of all, thank you, Anjana, for having me on your page. And it's a pleasure to be here on your page to share my digital business journey and share some insight about this business. Everybody, namaste, namaskar, and vanakkam. My name is Sheetal Lobo. I am a child of God. I am a mom of three young boys. I'm an educator by profession, and I'm basically from Mumbai, India, and I'm currently living in Abu Dhabi, UAE with my family, and now a proud digital business owner. So I call myself as a teacherpreneur. This business has given me so much of potential and given me that change in me that I can come here and share my journey here to people and inspire people to come and join this business and see what this digital business has in for them too. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much. It's a lovely introduction to my
Thank
viewers.
you.
Yes, everybody, whoever is watching and whoever will be watching replay, yeah, Sheetal is here, and you can drop your any questions, queries in my comment box, and she is here, and even I am here to answer your questions, queries, like about this amazing platform we are running from our comfort zone. Like we are a mom, right? She has also
Yes.
got a three boys, and I'm also have a three kids. So we have got our full-time job and our family, and still we prioritize our family, our full-time job on the top of that, and we are able to run this amazing platform, right, to support our
Yes.
family, to
Yes.
for our
Yes.
kids bright future. What could we think as a mom, right? These are the
Yes.
things we just need in our life, support our
Correct.
family,
Yes. Yes.
like
Very true.
and just think about our kids, like the bright future, and be with our family, like spend quality time, and whenever we are free, want to travel, but time to time visit to our home country, and then do some vacations. That's all we want in our life, right?
Yes.
Without
Absolutely.
any stress, I would say.
Hmm.
But yeah, that's why we are running in this business, so to do all our these dreams. So
Yes.
thank you, Situ, and thank you once again. Let me dive, because I have a work also, right, today, and
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
yours, like, time is also like almost 9 p.m. in the war.
It's
Like,
7 o'clock. It's
oh,
7 in the
yeah,
evening.
it's a 7 o'clock now. Its time has been changed. Like we
Yeah.
are moving a little bit,
Uh-huh.
like 1 hour back. Before we
Okay.
are ahead because of the winter.
Uh-huh.
Now we are
Okay.
heading to spring. Like time
Okay.
has changed. It's a nature.
Okay.
Yeah? So
Okay.
another thing is, yeah, everybody, like, we are from different part of the world, right? And we connect
Yes.
because of the business. We don't know each other before. After coming in this business, we come in a like whole business, whole community and global community, and we share our expertise, knowledge. We take we get a help, support each
Yes.
other to run in this business. How cool is this business?
Yes.
That's why we are
Absolutely.
connecting from all over the world with our business partner. Before, like, we don't know each other, right?
Yes.
It's like
Yes.
I feel
Yes.
so blessed to be in this business. What do you think about this? Like, could you share a little bit about
Yeah.
this, like, situation? Like, we are connecting with everyone, right?
Yes, this business is so amazing that it is. We are connecting people from all across the globe. Now, Anjana is from Canada. I am from UAE. We have become friends through this business, and in this business, what I have seen is that being a working professional, working in the education field for so many years, I have seen that people are always ready to help you when you ask them to come as a guest on their pages for an interview. People are ready to come and share their journey or share their inputs about this business. So this business is really, really awesome, where we get connected with different people from different walks of life, not only from our profession, not only from the education field. It's from, like, you will see, we have got doctors, we've got nurses, we've got grandmothers, we've got engineers, we've got so many people from all across the different professions who are running this business along with their full-time job. Some of them, we also have stay-at-home moms who've had just newborn babies, and they have started this business and they are running this business successfully. So this business is for everyone who has that willingness to learn and to do something for themselves and for their family and to have a better future.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you, Sheetal. Thank you, Sheetal. I would
Yeah.
say, this business has, lots of, I would say, like, it's kind of therapy for me nowadays. Like, what's excitement? I have, whom I have to help, what will be my business partner questions, and like my
Mm-mm-mm.
viewers and whoever is interested. I'm always excited, to be in this business nowadays. Okay,
Yeah.
let me dive
Yeah.
in the next question, Sital.
Yes,
My
yes.
question number two for you is, what is your biggest why to join this business, and what motivates you to do your like best? Everybody has got their own whys, why you are in
Yes,
this business. Everything, not only this business, everything we have got a reason, right?
yes, yes, yes.
That's the thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
So could you share your, like,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, experience?
So my reason, the thing why I joined this business is my family, my children. My children are growing up. My eldest son is already into university. He's studying in the university,
Oh,
and you know that university education is very expensive. And I've got three children, so I need to have a financial stability. I need to have that source of income wherein I can provide for my children without any worry or stress. I really did not want to stress about it. We really faced a very bad situation for my son's admission, and it so happened it was all during that pandemic time where
and
everybody faced some kind of issue. Either they lost their jobs or something wrong happened in everyone's life. And what happened to us was my husband had a huge pay cut, and we thought that we will be able to manage our expenses. And as you know that living as an expat and with three kids
yes,
studying in schools and expenses, grocery bills, and all the other bills, it's so difficult to save money. So we thought that we will be able to take some loan and arrange for a child to go some European country to help him to study better place. But it did not happen, and it was really a real shock for us. And we questioned ourselves that we have been working in our whatever field. That I am an educator for quite many years. My husband has been working for more than 20 years, and we have spent our entire youth in working, and we don't have that saving to say to give a better thing, good things for our children. And we were also looking for in the side something that would help us financially, and that is when I came across this digital business on my social media news feed. I saw my mentor's ad, and I was really intrigued, and I wanted to know more about it. I asked a lot of questions, and that's how I am here. And my other why is to help my husband retire from his job. He works in the machine, so I want him to retire early. I want to take care of my aging mother. I want to keep her here with me in this country. And also, I want to have a good saving
yeah,
enough for our golden years. We are not growing younger, we are growing older. We do not,
yes,
even I want to enjoy, and as a family, want to go for vacation, spend that nice time when I am young and healthy. So these are all my reasons for me to join this business. And the best thing is, what I have seen in this business is that you can achieve your dreams and goals if you work diligently with a lot of passion, with a lot of perseverance, and if you have the discipline and if you have the right mindset, you can do it in this business. And what motivated me to do my best in this business is the community support, the people. You have your mentor, you have your coach, you have the community, you have your team to support you and motivate you and inspire you. And we have our trainings, which is updated every now and then. And that's it. There are so many things that I can talk
yes,
about.
that, like, yeah, I can
Yeah.
relate, right? Like,
Yes.
everybody has got their biggest why, like,
Yes.
their own biggest why. You have got
Yes.
your why, biggest why. I have got a biggest why. That's why we are in this community, right? We are in
Yes.
this business to make our future, like, yeah, like, as I can relate to you as a mom of three kids, not one, two, like, three. We have
Yes.
got like a different. Even my kids are growing faster, and then even,
Mm-mm.
yeah, because of that, your and my whys are a little bit like same. So my
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
kids are also growing. I have got a 15 years
Wow.
daughter also. She is also going to university. So, like,
Mm-mm.
after 2 years, right? So yes,
Yes.
different, like, yeah, as a parents we need to think, and as a parents we always want to like, make their future. And on the top of that, we are not a mom only, we are a wife, and we are a daughter,
Yes.
we are a daughter-in-law. We have got
Yes.
lots of responsibility to fulfill
Yes.
our responsibility, I would say, our dreams. Like, we want to work in our present life to secure our future, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, thank you so much
Yes.
for your questions. And let me, like, we have got a lots of your, and let me take my comment in the comment box.
Yes.
Okay. Mm, Samantha Chen is watching. Good morning, beautiful ladies, watching from Washington, US.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Samantha,
Thank you
for
for
your
watching.
time. Yes,
Thank
thank
you.
you. And she is also saying, like, keep up the good work. Yeah, thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
We all are
Thank you.
doing
Thank you.
well in this
Yeah.
business, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
And yes, okay. Let me dive in another question. Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
what are the challenges you have discovered in this business journey, and how did you overcome it? Yes, everything
Yes.
we have got a challenges. I would say not like a serious challenges. If you already said like that, if you have got a positive mindset, and then you trust whatever you are doing, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you always, like, from the day one you started, like from the day one, you will always have that vision, like, I will do it. So in that, like, doing the work, like, in our life, any sector, anything, right? So
Yes.
there will be ups and downs. How do you have any, like, challenges, that kind of challenges in your
Yes.
business? And like, how did you overcome with it?
Yeah, I just want to give a little example of myself when I was years back when I was doing my teacher's training. Teacher's training is like it is challenging, and it was very difficult to prepare so many things.
Yes.
And yeah, but then I wanted to give up in between. But my why and my parents' support, my brother supporting me, I was able to complete my teacher's training, and I am a proud educator now. So, in the same way, anything that you start, there are challenges. Only thing you need to keep, I said, persevering. Have a lot of patience. You need to have a lot of patience. I did not have any technical skills. I was using a laptop or mobile, yes, but I didn't have know how to like no start a business. I did not have any business background. So all
Yes.
this I have learned through this business. There are challenges. Yes, you can overcome these challenges with the right kind of mindset and getting connected with the right kind of people in the community. You can overcome those challenges. So my journey has been like a slow, like for example, the story of the turtle and the hare.
Oh, yeah.
So I have taken that slowly, step by step, and I have learned in this couple of years that I am in this business. I have learned. I'm still learning. I always believe that learning never stops. Let it be in any profession or any business or anything that you're doing, learning never stops. So, and being in a digital world as a digital entrepreneur, you need to keep learning because the digital world is every time changing. So you need to keep like no keep be in
Updated,
part.
right? Updated
Yes,
yourself,
updated.
right? Yeah,
Yes,
updated
we need to
yourself.
keep. Yes, we need to keep ourselves updated with whatever is happening in the digital world. So there are so many things that I have overcome. I had the fear that whether I will be able to do it. I was skeptical initially, but I overcame it with the belief, with listening to people, listening to motivational speakers, and learning from the leaders in this community through the different trainings that we have. I have overcome those challenges, and it has been an amazing journey, and I am learning every day. Every day I wake up with an excitement to get back to my business, to know what is happening in my business,
Yes,
because
yes,
we have a business that is running 24/7, and every minute, every second is like a joy that comes in me to run this digital business and learn from it every day, to get in touch with so many different people who are wanting to join this community, answering their queries and welcoming them into the community. So this journey has been really, really wonderful for me, and I am grateful and thankful for this community, to the leaders of this community, to the founders of this community, and another opportunity that I had is I was able to meet the founders of our business community in Dubai when they had come for
Oh,
some
wow.
conference. So I literally could touch them and feel them, that they
Oh
are
my
real
God.
people, and they are humble people, very kind hearted people. And it was really, really amazing. So this business is real, and it is a legit business, and you don't need to worry about anything. So my journey has been wonderful, and I believe that even in the coming years, it's going to be more wonderful in the
Yes.
years coming. So this is what I want to say. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, Sheetal. Yes, yes, yeah. As this business is a portable business, as I said, like we
Mm-mm.
are sharing about this, like our business, right? We run
Yes.
in from our comfort zone, and we just need a laptop and cell phone wherever we go. Like we everybody is carrying their cell phone, right? And
Yeah.
it's
Yes.
always excitement in the business, right? Who is getting
Yes.
success and what's the
Yes.
blessing it's coming on our own way. Like we are always excited if if you are in your work also, like break time,
Yes.
oh,
Yes.
what is happening. Like this business is, like I would say, like literally, like from my heart, it's like a happiness, it's given.
Yes.
I'm so much, like satisfied coming in this business, and I always
Yes.
think like that, why I didn't join before. Whenever I saw, in my newsfeed,
Mm-mm.
why I always, it's not so guilty, but like okay, if I would have been joined this business 1 year ahead, I would have been successful more,
Uh,
right? But still, we
mm-mm.
are doing from our side, we are doing from our part, like
Yes.
always like
Yes.
huts and happening, I would say, in this
Yes.
business, right?
Yes.
And we do share our, like business partners milestone, our own
Yes.
milestone, we support each other. And this
Yes.
business is not running by the single person. We can't run alone, so we
Yes.
need a community support. We have got a
Yes.
amazing, like video based training, so
Yes.
like easy to understand. Yes, you already share, like we were not like a tech savvy before, right?
Yes. Yes.
Through the social media for our posting our family, like
Yes.
celebration for our
Yes.
kids milestone, that's it. But now,
Yes.
after coming in this business, we actually, like knowing what about the social media and how to use that social media, by
Yes.
spending 1 or 2 hours, and to, like get a, like generate the extra source of income, right? Yes, I
Yes.
think
Yes.
you are
Very
doing
true.
amazing in this business.
Thank
Like
you.
many more, like blessing to come in your way, and good luck for
Thank
that.
you. Same to you.
Yes, yes, thank you. Let me dive in, my question number 4.
Yes.
Yes. How did you find this business, and why did you take action to start this business? How did you
Eh,
find this business? Can you a little
Yeah.
bit elaborate about the business, how we can run this business?
Yes. Yeah. How did I find this business? As I told you, that as I was scrolling through my social media news feed, I saw an ad. Like, there are so many ads that you will come across. So in the same way, when I was scrolling through my new social media news feed, I came across my mentor's ad. She is a physiotherapist by profession, and she was sharing her digital journey, and she had a baby with her in her arm, so in that ad. So I said that I thought, this lady with her baby, she's showing herself on a social media platform. That means that there is something good in this. So that is why she is being so qualified, and she's showing herself and sharing about this business. There is something good in this business. So I went in, I registered myself, I took action. How did I take action? I registered with my name and email address because it's free. So I went in and I watched the 90 minutes complimentary webinar. I watched it twice, not once, but twice, because I didn't understand it in the first place. And then I took the second step of paying that $149, which was refundable. So I was at peace that I will get my money back. I had the 30 days to explore this digital business community, to know more about this business, what this business is got inside of it. And I asked lots of questions. I did my own due diligence. I checked about this business. And when I was satisfied, when I was at peace, and I believed that this was my God's way of showing me and bringing this opportunity in front of me, to have a better future for my children, to help me. Why God helped me through this digital venture. So I took action. Then the third step, I became a digital business owner, and now I am a proud digital business owner. So as I told you, I call myself as a teacherpreneur because I run this business as as my side hustle, as my plan B. Maybe in the coming few years' time, I will run it completely as my plan A, and I'm waiting for that moment. And I know that I can achieve and reach my goals and my dreams through this business, and I can give a better future for my children, not worrying every day or every month that will I have enough money for the next month? Will I have to worry about the expenses when I go for shopping? I should have that enough money. I don't want to keep worrying about it. I know that my God is there to support me, to help me, to take away my worries. But I believe that this is a business that we can rely on and we can trust on, and there is nothing to worry about it. And you can come and check for yourself what this digital business is all about, and you are good to go. And there is nothing to worry. There is no, it's not a scam. It's not like an illegal business. It's people are paying taxes for this business. So
Yes.
when you pay tax, that itself shows that this business is legitimate business. And another part I want to take, when I took action, I had the doubt that whether will I be able to do it along with my job. But this business gave me that flexibility that I can work at my own time. Even when I'm in school, when I have a free class, I have my mobile with me. So I just scroll. If any inquiry, I just answer the inquiry. I do the things what the training. If I need to learn something, I go through the training in my break time. So I use my time very wisely. I have learned to schedule my things. So I don't have to sit in front of my laptop all through the like 2 or 3 hours just at one time. I can have it at break, maybe 20 minutes here, 20 minutes in the afternoon, after in the evening. So it gives me that much flexibility for me to work on this business. So why not work on it now and reap the fruit of my effort in the coming years? So that's what I want to say.
Yeah, definitely. Wow, wow. Yeah, your dream definitely will come true, Seethal, and then you
Yes,
are working with on it, and you are
yes.
already in a like right platform, and then you are doing your best. So that's
Yes.
why I want to share a little bit about my like as
Mm-mm.
Sheetal already told, like as a mom, as a we are in a profession, like yeah, we have got our priorities, but still we
Yes.
are able to run this business. That this business is running by automation, right?
Yes. Yes.
We don't like chase people, right? We just
Mm.
share about our business and what is all this business, like whoever wants to come like in this business, whoever are interested to join this business, there is nothing harm to like come and then do due diligence and research. Like as you already shared, like you can come in my website, and then you can register by your name in my website also, www.anjanapb.com, and like you will get a 90 minutes video to watch about this business. That is the first step. And after that also, if you want, as Sheetal already told, like she didn't understand in one time, even me too. I like if you are more interested in your things, you just go through like repeatedly, and then you just
Yes.
understand, you do your research, and then come decide this business is for you or not. I would
Yes.
say,
Yes.
like, don't jump up
Yes.
like that without any research, because
Yes.
you are going to start your like great venture in online digital business for your bright future, for your long term
Yes.
goals.
Yes.
that's the thing. So I would suggest everyone, and then first step is that one, and afterwards we are there to help you to explain more how you want to know. Bring your like
Yes.
questions, queries. Even though we are still here, until that time you can drop your questions in a comment box, and after that pay $149 refundable. That $149 is nowadays, if you go out also, that you
Yes.
won't get like, one course of meal, or like because
Yes.
of this economic inflation all over
Yes.
the world, expenses,
Yes.
all
Yes.
your expenses. Yeah, if you are going to start your like change your life, so 149, put it like this is also refundable if you don't like it, so you can
Yes.
refund it. So but do research, don't like sit as a fancy eater, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
pay $149 and then take a action and be in this amazing community. We are there to help you, and just good to
Yes.
go, as he said, and like good to go. And there is no anything to think about it. Like we are a real people. We are a life proof. We are running
Yes.
this business. We are getting our success. So thank you,
Yes.
Cecil, for your like experience, like sharing experience with all my viewers.
Thank
And
you.
there are other viewers also, like let me take their comments. Okay. Naura Sarma Paudel, hello dear, good morning both, watching live from New York. Okay, good morning, thank you so much, your valuable
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you,
time.
Brother Navraj. Thank you so
Yes, thank
much.
you so much. And he has got a lots of like, inspiration for us. So proud to hear both rocking two moms, inspiring people to start their own digital business. And great to hear you both, Sheetal Logo sister and Anjana Panchakuti Baini.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for your
Thank you.
kind
Thank you.
words
Thank you,
towards for
brother.
us. Thank you.
Yeah.
You are making our days, like her is like
Yes.
going to be night and mine is like a day. I'm
Yes.
starting my day. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you.
time. Yes, Seetal, I don't want to take your long time because it's already like 7:30. Maybe you
Yeah.
have to
Yes.
like lots of
Yeah. Yeah.
yours like preparing
Yes.
for your tomorrow
True.
work. So
Yes.
like let me dive in your like last question.
Yes.
Okay, would you like to suggest any things to our followers and viewers who are skeptical about starting this amazing online platform? Nowadays everybody asking me about this business, and I share my all business like information, and still they are hesitant to take a action, and they are like a fancy eater. Do you have any suggestion want to share about my viewers?
Yes, sure. Of course, as I told you earlier, that when I started this digital business, when I was starting or wanting to take action, I was very nervous and very skeptical because there is a lot of scam happening around in the digital business world. So I was very scared, in fact, and I have lost actually also a little bit of money, not much. So I was very, very scared. But my why was very, very strong because I wanted to do something for my children's future, for ourselves also. So I dived into it. I did not start running at the first time. I took little baby steps and I learned what this business is about. And so I would suggest people that even though you are nervous, if you're skeptical, do not let that stop you from taking action. Until and unless you take that first step, you will not discover, you will not know what this business is all about. And I would like to tell people who have registered on our websites and they are not taking any action, they are
Yes,
just sitting.
as a
So,
fancy eater.
yes. So, I want you people to understand that until you ask questions, we will not know what is going on in your mind and what is the doubt that you have in your mind. So come forth and ask questions. You are not going to be charged anything for asking questions to us. It is going to only help you to clear your doubts and get you closer to an opportunity that is like a bright light in front of you for your family and for yourself and for your children. So take action. What I always say is if you want to see a change in your life, you need to take that chance. So take this chance, and this chance will be for your better future, for making yourself better human being, so that you will be able to help other people in the world to start their digital business and have a better financial stability for their families too. So this business has does not only gives you financial income, it also helps you to grow personally. I was very introvert. I used to be very scared. I couldn't talk like this. But all that I have learned is this from this business, from the whole community, the leaders. It's like our leaders leave footprints. So we are walking on their footprints and we are learning from what they are doing. They have done some mistakes and they advise us not to do that same mistake. So here in this community, you have everyone sharing their knowledge. Everyone is ready to share the knowledge. So please come. This is an amazing community of people from different walks of life. Come and check this out, what this digital business is. There is nothing to lose. Even if you do not want to do this business, you will learn something from this business.
Yes,
And
yes.
it has so happened that people who have come in this business and they have taken the refund, but maybe after a few months, they have come back
Yes.
to start their digital business journey because they have seen the potential of this business, and they have come back and they are very successful. We have got grandmom. I know of a grandmom in our community. She didn't know anything about mobile phone, how to use a mobile phone, but now she's one of the top leaders. She's enjoying her old age life in Mexico, and she's an amazing inspiration to me and to so many others in our community. If she can do it at her late age, why can't we? We need to come and check what this digital business is, and I tell you that you are not going to lose anything. So come and
Yes.
check for yourself. Yeah.
Yes, yes, that's great. That's
Yeah.
great advice for our viewers and then our fan sitter who are skeptical and want to join this business, but some sort of like, skepticism, they are like, still as a fan sitter. But
Yes.
like, we don't like, we don't like think about our age. Some of the viewers, like
Yes.
some of
Mhm.
my, viewers, followers, they want to join in this business, and then they said like, as we are a global community, our first
Mm.
language is not English, right?
Mm.
Those who
Yes.
are from different country, so like Asian country and other country, their first language is not English, and they always are telling me like, my English is not good. No, that's doesn't
Yes.
matter.
Yes.
Doesn't
Absolutely.
matter this, if you understand simple English, though like we have got a different translation, like
Yes. Yes.
our
Trainings
translation,
are.
our like
Yes.
translation, our this language, different language, our training side also.
Yes.
So
Yes.
don't worry about that. And then some of them also, they are telling me I can't go live, and you don't have to go
Have to go
live.
live.
We have got
Yes.
a 6 7 platforms. Our
Yes.
training will teach us how to use that platforms, and how you want to do that like business in your own comfort zone, like
Yes.
as your personality. The business, the
Yes.
system, the training will teach us. So no worries about that, we are there to help you. So it
Yes.
just like have you just have to trust the business, trust the system first, and have a positive mindset, and take
Yes.
action. And
Yes.
only
Yes.
action will work. Without
Yes.
action, you won't be knowing anything like valuable insight of our amazing platform, I would say. Everybody,
Yes.
whoever is watching now, and whoever will be watching replay, so like, come join us, take a action, and then
Yes.
only you will be knowing. So to change your life for your like financial, towards the financial and like time freedom, right? Thank you,
Yes.
Sheetal. So we
Thank
are
you.
our end of the live talk, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for coming in my business space, and then sharing your experience, expertise, like your everything, your success story, and everything about this business for my viewers and followers. Thank you so much. Have a
Thank you.
good
Thank you.
evening.
Thank you. Thank
And
you, everyone. Namaste. Yeah. Thank you.
namaste. And then, okay, whoever are watching, thank you so much for your time. And whoever will be watching replay, thank you so much. We will come again, like for our, business like information. Stay tuned and have a good day, have a good evening, and have a good night. Namaste. Stay blessed.
Namaste and bye bye. God bless you all.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye.